Well, viewers, days after Donald Trump took oath as the 47th President of the United States, there's a massive face-off over his executive orders, especially his proclamation about terminating the birthright citizenship under the 14th Amendment. Now, a federal court has put a temporary block on the ban, which was to come into effect from the 19th of February. Trump has now said that his administration will challenge this order. The U.S. District Court judge has called Trump's executive order blatantly unconstitutional and issued a restraining order blocking it from going into force. The federal judge asked a lawyer for the Trump administration where the lawyers were when Trump's team drafted the executive order. The order came after 4 states moved the Seattle court, asking for the order to be paused while the federal court considered the state's legal challenge. In their lawsuit, the 4 states challenging the order argue that the 14th Amendment and U.S. law automatically confer citizenship among individuals born in the United States, and that the president does not have the power to amend the Constitution. Welcoming the move, the Washington state attorney has said that they approached the case to defend the United States Constitution and American democracy. President Donald Trump has said that his administration will appeal the federal judge's temporary block of Trump's executive order ending the constitutional guarantee of birthright citizenship regardless of the parent's immigration status.
Thank you very much.
Mr. President, a U.S. judge temporarily blocks the birthright citizenship order. Do you have any reaction?
No, obviously we'll appeal it. They put it before a certain judge in Seattle, I guess, right? And there's no surprises with that judge.
Now, the U.S. president's executive order has caused widespread alarm and panic, especially in the Indian immigrant population. Remember, there are about 5.4 million Indian Americans in the United States as of 2024, which amounts to 1.47% of the total population. And 2/3 of the Indian diaspora in the United States are first-generation immigrants. Faced with the looming deadline, many expectant Indian parents in the United States are in fact resorting to preterm C-sections, according to news reports, as the order has created a sense of urgency among families concerned about their children's futures. News reports suggest that while women in their 8th or 9th month of pregnancy are asking the doctors for C-sections, many others in the 2nd and even 3rd trimesters are also exploring the same route. Doctors are discouraging parents from opting for preterm births, though, because it leads to multiple complications.